Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I am Ritika Zuzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in my previous video, we discussed about types of regression. Okay, so there are different types of regressions are present. So yesterday we discussed about first type of regression is a linear regression. Okay, so what is mean by linear regression? Okay, so in this lecture we discuss about the regression equation. Okay, so here, what is the linear regression equation? Y equal to m into x plus c. Okay, so in previous lecture we discussed about y equal to a0x plus a1. So here a0 and a1 are the constant or coefficient values for that graph. Okay, but here I am using y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so here y is a dependent variable on y-axis, x is what our independent variables on x-axis, m is the slope of the line, and c is the coefficient of the line. Okay, so here c is the coefficient of the line. So here in this graph, I am using two input variables, that is two independent variables x1 and x2, and two dependent variables y1 and y2. And here we get the linear graph that is having the slope of line m, and c is the coefficient of the line c. Okay, and what is our m value is here for the two variables, two dependent variable and two independent variable. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here we get the slope of line. Okay, so I am giving one example. Let us discuss. Okay, so over here, so here in this graph, we are plotted 2 points x1 and x2, and also y2 and y1. Okay, x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, so here we have some uh, example of crop yield. Okay, so it is used in the plot the crop yields based on the amount of rainfall. Here the rainfall is the independent variable and crop yield is the dependent variable. Okay, so here in this example we are considering the example of rainfall. So consider this graph. So this is our this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. This is our x. So on y-axis we have crop, and in the x-axis we have rainfall x. Okay, and here we have different data set. Okay, so So these are the different data sets. Okay. So here we drawn the line through the middle of the data. Okay. So let us consider as it is this graph. Okay. So this is our rainfall is our independent variable. Okay. This is our independent variable. Okay. So here we draw the line through the middle of the data. So this is our data set, and I am drawing one line through the middle of the data. Okay. So this is a line. Okay, so this line is called as a regression line. Okay, we already discussed. This line is called as our regression line. Okay. Regression line. So the here all the so here we I will draw one slope from this point to this, and from sorry, correct. So if I am considering this point, okay, red data set through this and from line to this, okay. So here we get the data set correctly in the regression line, and if we are considering to this, okay. So if यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिल रहा है, एक क्रॉप फील्ड की जगह पे एक पॉइंट मिल रहा है, ओके. सो यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट है, ठीक है. एंड अगेन y x एक्सिस के ऊपर भी एक पॉइंट मिल रहा है, ओके. So here in the red point on the y-axis is our crop field. We can expect the amount of rainfall represented by this red point in the x-axis. Okay. So I will mark this point. Okay. I will change the color of both. इसको मैं अगर क्रॉप फील्ड को अगर मैं येलो करती हूँ, येलो डॉट कंसिडर करती हूँ, और फॉर द एक्स एक्सिस मैं यहाँ पे ग्रीन कलर कंसिडर करती हूँ, ओके. सो हियर वी ड्रॉ द लाइन थ्रू द मिडल ऑफ द डेटा. यहाँ पे जो मिडल ऑफ डेटा होगा उसके थ्रू मैंने क्या किया है, एक लाइन ड्रॉ की है, ये अगर मेरा डेटा है तो, ओके. सो द रेड पॉइंट, ओके, सो यहाँ पे मैंने रेड नहीं, सॉरी, येलो पॉइंट on the y-axis is the crop field. We can expect the amount of rainfall, that is our x-axis, represented by the green dot. Okay. So here, if we have an idea about the amount of rainfall for a year, then we can predict how the plentiful our crop will be. Okay. So here, if we are considering, if we draw, if we draw a line through middle of the data, the yellow dot or yellow point on the y-axis on the y-axis is the crop yield we can expect for the amount of rainfall, that is on x-axis, represented by the the green point or the green dot. Okay, सो यहाँ पे क्रॉप फील्ड है, रेनफॉल है. ओके, सो अगर हमारे पास डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ डेटा सेट गिवन है, सो आई एम ड्राइंग वन मिडल ऑफ द डेटा, आई एम ड्राइंग वन लाइन फ्रॉम द मिडल ऑफ डेटा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे जो इंटरसेक्ट हो रहा है डेटा हमारा फ्रॉम दिस रिग्रेशन लाइन, सो आई एम drawing one line from horizontally to the y-axis and vertically to the x-axis. So here we get the 2 points. Okay, so here the yellow point on the y-axis is the crop yield we can expect for the amount of rainfall on the x-axis represented by the green point. Okay, यहाँ पे जितना भी हमें point number of point में crop field मिला है, उसी point में हमें क्या होना चाहिए, grain amount of rainfall हमें required है. Okay, so we can predict the rainfall based on the crop field data point. Okay, so this is the concept of a regression. Thank you.